Listen me. Let's rediscover Jamaica, the heartbeat of the world. Because everybody don't know Jamaica nice. The heartbeat of the world, our paradise. Pretty beaches under the blue skies, with beautiful people, we're full up of vibes. Jamaicans we are invite to explore the island and have a good time. Whether in a hotel or out in a nature, everybody make we rediscover Jamaica. Come join us and feel good again.
Jamaican heartbeat.
Jamaica. Come join us and feel good again.
Can you feel it?
Come join us and feel good again.
Jamaican heartbeat.
Love it. Come join us and feel good again.
Heartbeat of the world.
We're here at the majestic Rose Hall Villas by Half Moon, and none of this would be possible without our hard-working members of the tourism sector. What are you looking forward to most as the doors reopen to everyone?
I can't wait to see this place full of our Jamaican visitors. Come out, everyone. We're looking forward to seeing you again.
We found this beautiful lady chilling on the beach. Hi, how are you? You seem to be enjoying yourself. What is the atmosphere like at the villas?
Well, I'm just here soaking up the sun right now. It's so wonderful to be out of the house and on the beach for a change. It feels like home away from home.
Basie, look who we have here. It's Bambino. Hey, Bim. I can just imagine how busy you are. How are you doing?
I'm there, man. We're just outside all our vibes, you know. Everything good.
Awesome. And do you have a message for Jamaicans listening and watching at home?
Come out and enjoy your island. It's a beautiful place. So I just want to tell everybody to just come out and feel good again.
So me say greetings, welcome to one and all, to our land of scat, reggae and dancehall. Come we go beach, river and waterfall. Make we have a lot of fun until the nightfall. All a vibe, beat something with a drink in your hand. Jerk chicken, bread, food, roast fish, yellow yam. This is for all Jamaicans, every boy, every girl. Enjoy Jamaica, the heartbeat of the world.
Can you do it?
Come join us and feel good again.